Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Bazzi bin Bakri. Today we will explain about the assignment for internal combustion engine and our title is Current Technology on Automotive. So our team consists of 5 students which is Muhammad Saiful Adli bin Muhammad, Nur Amira Fitriani binti Ismail, Sharizan bin Yunus, Muhammad Zafran Arif bin Bedu Arifin, and myself is Muhammad Bazli bin Bakri. And I will talk about the introduction and history, which is variable valve timing, often abbreviated to VVT, is a type of piston engine technology that deliberately deliver inconsistent timing of the intake and or exhaust valve. Originally used in the 19th century to power steam engine, it was not until 1980 that a vehicle with VVT technology was made available for the North American market. This was achieved with the debut of 1980 Alfa Romeo Spider. Due to increased pressure from the EPA and other government agencies, improved fuel efficiency is becoming a major. And today, many of them are turning to VVT technology to accommodate stricter rules and regulation regarding vehicle emission.
My name is Saiful Adli bin Mohammed, number metric B0920102009. Theory of operation, improving engine performance, improve fuel economy and reduce NOx and hydrocarbon. This produces 3 results. First, negative pressure inside the cylinder is mitigated to reduce intake loss and increase fuel economy. Second, combustion temperature is lowered to reduce NOx. Third, unburned gas is returned to the combustion chamber to be reburned, reducing hydrocarbon. The valves do not overlap to stabilize combustion when the engine is idling, and the idling speed is lowered to improve fuel economy. Increase torque and output. During high load driving conditions that require high torque and output, the intake valve timing is given optimum control based on engine speed. To increase the amount of intake air, the timing of intake valve closing must be determined in relation to the intake inertia effect and the intake air return caused by a rising piston. The VVTi engine increase low and medium speed torque by controlling in advance intake valve closing in the low and medium speed range.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zafran Arif bin Bedu Arifin, matrix number B0920100430. Today I will explain about system technology diagram VVT. So when we look at this diagram, there are 3 major components. The first one is the ECU, which calculate optimum intake valve timing based on engine operating condition. Second is the oil control valve, which control hydraulic pressure under the ECU instruction. And the third is pulley, which continuously change the intake valve timing using hydraulic pressure. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Amira. I will continue about advantages and disadvantages. So for its advantages, it helps with slow emission and combustion, which proved to be economical. The oil control valve or OCD constantly control the hydraulic pressure for advancing and retarding the valve timing. Secondly, the VVTi is designed in a way that's high reliable and easy to adapt to pre-existing engine design. And lastly is VVT enhance the vehicle performance greatly by increasing the torque and output as well. So for its advantages, mainly dependent on oil pressure via the actuator. If there is malfunction, is a system due to tip particle or slug, the system will come to standstill. And lastly, the system is mainly dependent on just a couple of components, and even a slight malfunction in those parts will lead to inconvenience and a heavy hole in your pocket. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sharizan bin Yunus. I will be explaining about our opinion on the technology for the near future. According to us, putting a car tuning chip on the engine can make it run better. Depending on the module and its setup, increasing engine power and torque can improve vehicle acceleration and reduce fuel consumption by up to 20% on some vehicles. Simply defined, the output boost is accomplished by modifying the ignition timing and fuel injection volume. Data from the control unit is retrieved by the performance tuning box, which then optimize it before sending the updated values to the diesel pump. Inside the box, there are microprocessors that manage the adjustments. As long as the original driving habits are preserved, fuel consumption is often lowered. It is advised that you install a spot air filter to further reduce your fuel usage. By doing this, you also provide a little extra air to your car. The optimized vehicle's exhaust gas levels remain unchanged. Additionally, you may modify the car tuning chip's performance to meet your needs. That's all from our group. Thank you.